Hello, it's Hamilton here from Coerco, here today to give you a quick run through of our Poly Bore Pump Pontoon. So you've got your lifting lug here and then your anchoring points. Comes with a pump shroud, and it can come with a customised anti-vortex strainer suitable for your pump diameter. It also can come with skid legs for simple implementation, and it's made out of 100% poly, so it's suitable for basically all liquids, so your chemicals and your mining water. Please contact myself or our sales team to assist with your flotation requirements.